from your one and only fashion idol. Diba? Napakasimple pero rock. So, kung gusto nyo rin to, meron sa Last Live exclusive price, 121.85. Click the link below.
Uy guys, grabe. Tignan nyo yung ngipin ko. Nag-improve diba yung kulay? Well, ito lang naman ginagamit ko dyan guys. Ang new Colgate Optic White Ultra Toothbrush. Grabe, nakahelp talaga siya magpatanggal ng stains. Meron tong Last Live exclusive price na 309 pesos na lang siya. Kaya i-check out nyo na bago pa ma-sold out. Just click down below.
Guys, if you're looking to upgrade your new smartphone, this is the perfect phone for you. This is the Vivo Y17s smartphone with 128GB of storage, 6GB RAM, including an ultra game mode for all you gamers out there. This is perfect for you. It will give you the perfect gaming experience. And for the Last Live exclusive price of 5,299 pesos, kunin nyo na before it sells out.
Na ball o kaya paporma lang. Very minimalist pero grabe yung packet. Meron ka dito 4 na packet at kasya-kasya ka dito sa loob, bakla. Sobrang laki nito, 166 pesos lang to, bakla. Oh. Exclusive lang to sa Last Live kaya i-check out mo na. Ano ko?
You know what guys? My hininga is so mabango dito. You know why? It's not other than Colgate. Colgate is the reason for that. Hindi siya nakakatamad because I just oh, so mabango na tayo. 359 lang. Exclusively on Last Mart. So what are you guys waiting for? Click the link down below.
Guys, do you want to get bulldog, bro? Look at this fit. Oh, crazy. In style mo to sa Korean fashion trends. Kaya for sure, stand out ka. And because of Last Live exclusive price sale, 230 pesos na lang. Ah! Mura na yun, bro. So you gotta check the link down below.
Dito sa mga tito dyan, alam namin mabibenta nyo to. Ito ang Orange Bargaination Inhaler. Nakakawala to ng drowsiness, stress, lalo na pag nagko-commute. Kaya naman, 65 pesos lang sa Last Live exclusive price. Link down below.